Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to share your Glo mobile data with another line. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your dialer. Next thing you need to do is to dial *301#, then hit on send. The next thing you need to do is to click on here, and this time around make sure you type in number 4 and hit on send, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and type in number 1, and the next thing you need to do is to click on share data and send. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here and enter 1. Once you enter 1, make sure you click on send, and this is going to pump up. Click on here and make sure you enter the Glo subscriber number that you want to share your data with. Make sure the number is correct, because once you enter the number right here, click on send and the data will be allocated to that particular number. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Glo data plan like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.